Introducing our best large laundry bag. Washable heavy-duty locking drawstring, large laundry bag with assorted color. Durable heavyweight nylon material. Perfect laundry bag or storage bag. This heavy-duty laundry bag is built of durable heavyweight nylon and holds up to 2 loads of laundry. Comes in assorted colors, this large bag is also rip and tear resistant. These laundry bags are made by the finest nylon, keeping them extremely durable and yet lightweight. It also has locking drawstring closure and is machine washable. You can't forget to include this laundry bag when stocking up your laundry items section. Our heavy-duty laundry bags comes with the best features, such as drawstring closure, lightweight ventilation, and they fit all standard hampers. Perfect for storing anything you may need to do, fits in your closet, room, or while camping. It can be used also for laundry, storing clothes, camping, and more. Multi-purpose laundry bags for any kind of use. Use it to make one trip to the laundromat or to store all your dirty clothing in one bag. It can be also used to store items neatly in your storage. This sturdy laundry bag is made a tough yet lightweight nylon or fabric that was designed to help you carry many massive loads down hallways and upstairs for years to come. Buy 2 pack of large laundry bags only for $49 and buy 5 pack only $8.99. And also buy 10 pack only $22.99. Multiple laundry tote bags make it easy for a household of people to get their own laundry bagged up. And taken to the laundry room, made of heavy cotton, making it a durable. Big enough to hold a heavyweight load of washing and tough enough to take a beating. You can use your dirty laundry for your workout. These laundry bags are perfect for traveling. High-quality materials and reinforced construction ensure this bag stands up to heavy use. The bag measures 29 by 40 inch. Machine washable for hassle-free cleaning and maintenance. Making this a long-lasting addition to your home essentials. The large capacity and secure closure make laundry day simpler and more efficient. So our large laundry bag is the perfect solution for all your laundry and storage needs. And the end, leave us your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.